Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to add the text in OBS Studio. 1. Open OBS Studio. Make sure you have OBS Studio open and your scene selected where you want to add the text. 2. Add a text source. In the Sources panel, click the plus button. Select Text GDI Plus from the list. Name the text source, example, stream title, and click OK. 3. Customize the text. A text source properties window will appear. Customize your text. Enter text. Type your desired text in the text box. Font. Click the Select Font button to choose the font, style, size, and color. Color and opacity. Use the color picker to adjust the text color and opacity. Outline. Enable outline to add a border to your text and adjust its thickness and color. Background color. Enable this option to add a solid or semi-transparent background behind the text. Adjust the settings to your preference and click OK. 4. Position and resize the text. In the preview window, drag the text box to position it where you want to appear on the screen. And that's everything you need to know about how to add text in OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.